Listen to my heart, listen to my pain. It's screaming through the baseline, through the acid rain. Listen to my heart, it won't pretend. This rhythm's all that's left of us in the end. Your name's tagged on the bathroom wall, faded like the night we gave our all. I danced like you were watching still, but the mirror showed just me, no thrill. No yellow dress, no Maple Street, just echoes pounding in my feet. Listen to my heart, listen to my pain. It's burning through the speakers, breaking every chain. Listen to my heart, it knows your name, even if you walked away without a trace. From quiet corners to this neon roar, I traded silence for a slamming door. One voice left in the afterglow, saying everything I couldn't show. Listen to my heart, listen to my pain. It's the only truth left in this electric rain. Listen to my heart, don't look away, 'cause I'm still here, and I've got something to say.